Hello? Baby, it's you. It feels like it's been forever since I've heard your voice. Yeah, well, last night was forever ago when I've been away from you as long as I've been. Yeah, I know, I wish I had some good news for you, but I overheard my manager talking about extending the project out even further. Something about how we need more time for the fine-tuning and the detail work. Another week or so, at most. I know. I was hoping to be back in time for our monthly anniversary date night, too, but I'll make it up to you, okay? Oh, baby. You're the best, you know that? Thanks for being so understanding, sweetness. I don't know that I could do these business trips like this if I didn't have your support, to be honest. Every time I think about quitting or demanding to be taken off the project or to even just go back for a visit, I think about you and what you'd say. I know you'd rather I see this through to the end. You're so supportive. As a matter of fact, you know what? You're almost a little too supportive. What is it, babe? Be honest. Is there some guy you call up when I'm out of town? Several? And they're all there right now? Babe, don't joke like that. I know I started it, but still, baby, please. Yeah, I guess that's what I get for being so jealous. I was just joking, you know. I trust you, love. What's that? There is one perk to me being gone for so long. Well, what's that? More bed to yourself? I do not roll around in my sleep. That's totally you. I'm like barely clinging off one side of the bed, and you're spread eagle diagonally across the mattress. Oh, well, too bad. When I do get home, I'm hereby claiming my half of the bed. I'll set up a pillow wall and everything. None shall dare cross into Fort Cardlin. Oh, is that right? Then it is war, then. When I get back, anyway. Oh, I really do plan on making it up to you, though. As a matter of fact, unless my timing is horrendously off, the first stage of Operation No More Lonely should be arriving right around, well, now, actually. Will you go check the front door? They should have dropped off a little something for you. Come on, get up, get up. It'll be awesome, I promise. Yes. Go, go, go. Do you see the UPS truck? No. Just some random car going down the street. Weird. Check the porch? Maybe they left it on the doorstep or something. Hold on, let me go check the delivery status. Weird. You're sure you don't see anything there?
Did you check the back door? Hello. Hi. Hi. Yes. I am a bastard. I know. Yes. I know. Come here. Oh, I know. I couldn't help myself. I'm sorry. What am I doing here? Well, I'm mostly here to claim my half of the bed and make sure none of those men you were talking about are here, but... Okay. Well, we decided the project was done just the way it was, and we all went home. Now, I just got off the plane, so forgive me if I smell like I've been on a 10-hour flight, but, well, I have been. You don't mind? God damn, have I missed you. Your smell, your... your taste, the feel of how my arms fit so perfectly around you, the squeeze of your warm body against mine. Fuck me, but I've missed this. I've missed you. And all the things I can do to you. Like what, you ask? Well, tell me. Do you miss the way I grab you like this? Right here. You do? But what? But I've got to wait. For what? Payback for the scare. Alright, I suppose I deserve that. But, trust me when I say I plan on making it up to you in more ways than one. Then sleeping. On my whole half the bed, yep. Oh, is that right? Well, we'll just have to see about that. You beautiful, beautiful thing, you. Ah, Christ, how I've missed this. How I've missed you. You know, love, if I'm allowed to put aside the horn dog for a moment and be a touch or two sentimental, one thing I wanted to reiterate from earlier, now that I have you in my arms, is that I couldn't do this without you. What we've got here, you and I, it's really something special. I love you. You know that, but there's more to it than that. We've built up this trust, you know? This true and real partnership, this really strong foundation over the years, and well, without it, I'd fall to pieces when I'm away. Knowing that I've got you, my partner in crime, my other half, my best friend, my dearest love, holding it down here at home, knowing that I don't have to worry about you looking elsewhere, knowing that you know you don't have to worry about me, knowing that you can really handle things out here while I'm gone, and that you can see beyond the nights of loneliness because you know there will be days of happiness to come. I truly cherish that. I truly cherish you. And that's why I wanted to give you this. Shiny, just the way you like it. You like it, baby doll? I agree, it is beautiful. But it's coal on a rope compared to your skin. Your eyes. And that smile you make whenever I get cheesy like this. I know, but maybe, just maybe, it's pretty enough to not be outshone by you, Well, one of the benefits of being as far away as I was is that they've got jewelry out there that you don't see out here all the time. And they don't charge big city prices for it. Don't worry about the price tag. Just wear it for me. And when you do, remember what I said. That what we have goes deeper than love. And friendship. You're my partner. My other half. You're that part of me I'm most proud to have. Hello. Hi, you. Oh, I see how it is. Now that I've put some jewelry on you, now I can touch you, is that right? Well, I'm certainly not going to say no. Come on. Come on. Up we go. That's it. Where are we going? Oh, I think you know. I'm taking you to the bedroom, where I can show you just how truly deep this love can go. Oh, you'd like that, would you? Then answer me one question first. Let me know just how badly you've longed for this too. Did you miss me?